What is the purpose of placing a potted plant in bright sunlight for 4 to 6 hours? Placing a plant in sunlight provides the light energy necessary for the chlorophyll in leaves to convert carbon dioxide and water into glucose through photosynthesis. This step is essential in experiments to ensure that starch is actively being produced before testing. Lightweight bones that aid flight in birds are described as. Birds have pneumatic or hollow bones that significantly reduce their body weight, making it easier to achieve lift. These bones are reinforced with internal struts to maintain the strength needed to withstand the stresses of flight. Heavy bones would increase the energy required for flight and make it difficult for birds to stay airborne. Soft bones would lack the structural integrity required to support the bird's muscles during flight. While strong, thick bones are usually dense and heavy, which is counterproductive for aerial locomotion. Where is the other end of the lightning rod placed? A lightning rod provides a low-resistance path for the massive electrical discharge of a lightning strike to reach the ground safely. By burying the end deep into the soil, the charge is dissipated into the earth, preventing damage to the building structure. In the context of light, what object can be selected for exploration with different mediums and tools to observe various results? A prism is a transparent optical element with flat, polished surfaces that refract light to demonstrate dispersion into its constituent spectral colors. It is a fundamental tool in physics for exploring how light interacts with different mediums and observing the resulting rainbow spectrum. The term sunlight vitamin refers to which specific vitamin? Vitamin D is uniquely called the sunlight vitamin because the human body can synthesize it when skin is exposed to ultraviolet B, UVB, rays. This synthesis converts 7-dehydrocholesterol in the skin into an active form essential for calcium absorption and bone health. What is the purpose of conducting the lightning strike deep into the soil? A lightning conductor provides a low-resistance path to direct the massive electrical discharge of a lightning strike safely into the ground. This prevents the electricity from traveling through the building's structure, which would otherwise cause fires or electrical damage. Lightning rods are safety devices and are not designed for the purpose of soil fertilization. Current technology is unable to capture and store the immense, instantaneous energy of lightning for power generation. The goal of grounding is to neutralize the charge by dissipating it into the earth, not to store it. A light ray moving through a medium and then striking a shiny surface is called an incident ray is defined as the ray of light that travels from a source and strikes a surface before reflection or refraction occurs. The point where this ray hits the surface is known as the point of incidence. What is the role of heat or light energy in chemical changes? Chemical reactions involve energy changes where bonds are broken by absorbing energy and formed by releasing energy. Depending on the net energy balance, reactions are classified as either exothermic, releasing heat, or endothermic, absorbing heat. Which fact surprised you the most? Comment below and subscribe to Quotient for more.